Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you're interested in stained glass as a hobby and you're asking yourself, is stained glass an expensive hobby? Now, to sort of cut to the point, yes, stained glass is a bit of an expensive hobby. Some of the things you're going to need is a grinder, a water drip system, a glass cutter, some stained glass pliers, solder, flux, copper foil, and a soldering iron, and you're going to need that to do really just the bare minimum. Now, if you're trying to get started on a budget, you can look up stained glass starter kits and you can get the basics of what you need to get started for a couple of $100s. However, if you want to move on beyond that, you're going to quickly move into some higher price tags. So you can get started for relatively cheap, but if it actually becomes a hobby, it's going to cost you a little bit of money. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.